Download CoolpoTools from www.coolpolens.com. Go to Demo and Support and proceed to Product Support. Choose whether you're downloading for a Windows or a Mac. After installation, please launch CoolpoTools. Ensure that your Coolpo AI Huddle Mini is properly connected to your Windows or Mac computer. Next, update the firmware to the latest version. In the latest version, the highlight suppression may be disabled by default. When the highlight suppression is enabled, the room will look darker in contrast to a brightly lit window. In order to correct this, you will need to: first, make sure the settings are reset to default. Second, enable highlight suppression. Third, move the HDR adjustment slider to the right until the video is nice and clear.